This is the moment that I'm pretty sure every single one of you watching this video has been waiting for a long time. Holy crap. This box is literally taller than me. Stand it up. Oh my god. I'm also 4'2", so I'm gonna get this thing unboxed. Let's go. Okay. No, stay. Thankfully it's carbon fiber. Man, I just want to say, the APR wing is probably the coolest wing you can get for the Evo, but I'm pretty sure this wing is worth more than my Subaru. If it was not for my homies over at Supa Garage, they hooked me up with a fat discount. Literally anybody can get sponsored and work with Supa Garage. These guys hooked me up with a huge fat discount on this wing. They're actually a non-profit that helps people build their own dream cars. Like, they'll literally help you build a car. They'll pay for stuff for you. It's cool. I want you guys to check them out. As much as I want to give you guys such a huge thanks for helping me finally get this wing, I want to open it up. I want to show you guys. I want to show myself. And I want to see what's finally going to be on the Evo. Oh my god. Actually, before it gets rainy, I need to turn the Evo around. I don't want it to get too wet because I'm going to need it to be facing the other way, so we can have some light to work on the rear end. Oh my god, dude, it's so light. It literally weighs like a pound. I don't know if you guys have ever experienced Christmas. Christmas is pretty cool, but car parts are so much better than Christmas. Oh my god. This is insane. That's gorgeous. Holy cow. The bends on this thing, like the curvature. This is cool. Meet the new APR GTC 300 for the Evo X. Dude, look at this, the curvature of this, like the design that goes into it, man. I am not one for spending lots of money on car parts. I'm usually not for it, but man, APR, just low-key, I'm not even sponsored by them, man. I love the quality and the time and effort that goes into making their stuff. It's so good. It's extremely light. I'm gonna flip it over real quick. Try to avoid those freaking staples. Carbon fiber stands riveted into the bottom. So cool. I really like how wide the stands are on this. Wings are awesome, but in order to do them right, it takes a lot of effort, a lot of marking, a lot of measuring to do them 100% perfect. So I was supposed to have the homie Austin, the Mustang, come today, but he flaked, so thanks Austin. Victoria and I, Miss Herbivore 9000 over there, we're gonna install this wing and we're gonna show you guys the process and then flex at the end. And then I forgot to mention, obviously each side has a very sturdy, this is actually really, there's like heavy duty at the wing stands. So we're gonna measure and see where we need to have these, and then we've also got those as well that go on the sides. First thing we're gonna do is assemble the wing. I need to put the stands on it so that we can test fit it onto the Evo. Now we've got everything pretty loosely attached to it. We're not committed to any certain holes yet. We just need this here so that we can line up and start measuring exactly where we want to drill holes in the trunk. So once you drill holes, you're committed. Okay guys, we're just test fitting right now, but I just like got all giddy. We don't even have the side parts on, like the little winglets on the side yet, but check this out. Look how freaking good this looks, dude. Look how freaking sick this is gonna look. Oh my god, it's about time we got something on here that's worth looking at. Damn. Alright, here's the fun part. This is my favorite part about aerodynamics, boys. Sorry, so I got my little dog here. His name's Pepe. I'm gonna hold it right here at the apex, the very center of the wing. And I'm gonna let gravity, let it do its work. And as you can see, at the heaviest point, it's right exactly at the bumper. We've got a really good idea of exactly where we want right now. So here is the interesting part. Drilling holes. Drilling holes in your car is like getting married. You have to really, really concentrate on exactly what you want, but once you think you figure it out, you're committed for life. Now, there are ways to try and cover up your mistakes, but that doesn't change the fact that the hole was already drilled. The hole's always going to be there. So, you want to make sure you do a really good job of drilling out the right hole the first time, or your marriage is going to be crooked. But you're committed for life. So what I'm doing right now is I am just lining this up. We've already taped it off exactly where we need the bottom, the base of this to be. To commit. It's wedding day. I'm nervous. This is the fun part. You get to see exactly what size drill bit you need. Babe, I'm gonna let you do the honor. You have to find the right size first try.
Guess?
First try. What do you think? What size do you think it is?
Are you pointing to it?
No, I'm definitely not pointing to it. Oh, would you look at that? That's so nice. It just fits all snug. But if you do anything less than a 1/4 inch, no, it doesn't do that. If you do anything higher than a 1/4 inch, that's too big.
Lessons with Evan.
It is, it's lined up.
You're walking down the aisle.
It's commitment time.
Take a deep breath.
The wedding song's coming on.
Dun 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 dun. Dun, dun.
I do. I gotta secure my wedding ring. I'm gonna keep one of those in there just so it doesn't move a lot. Now it's time for the reception. And and then when the wing's on, that's the honeymoon. First time taking the dress off is not always pretty. You have to fix some stuff in here. This part, if I keep doing wedding analogies, it's gonna get real weird, so I'm probably gonna go ahead and stop. Alright, now you have 3 beautiful holes. I didn't even mean to say that. On one end of each of the studs has an Allen head. It has like an Allen hole. So now they're torqued down and Loctited in there for maximum security. These boys never coming out. We're gonna go ahead and drill the other side, and then once everything's done, we'll install it. Ashamed I waited this long, but I'm so psyched I did exactly this. Y'all check out this new APR wing.
You might even make the lane walk if you would only talk to the Lord. You might even make the lane walk if you would only talk to the Lord. You might even make the lane walk if you would only talk to the Lord. You might even make the lane walk if you would only
This is like the final form of the Evo that I've always wanted. Yeah, I definitely needed a wing. I know my lens is just a mess right now. I'm very sorry. It's very rainy. But oh my God, guys, like look at just how it matches. It matches the body lines so incredibly well. Oh my God, and it just makes everything look so, so good. I've never used anything APR because it's all really expensive stuff, but man, I'm stoked that I was able to work with Supa Garage and get this. Dog, just look at this scoop. That's so sick, man. I think the only thing this thing needs is a diffuser, maybe a new bumper, some wider tires. But other than that, man, this thing has just come together so well. Oh, I'm so happy with it. I'm getting so wet out here. Thankfully, I got this sick 5.3 windbreaker. That's good. You guys have really just allowed me to build such a cool life, and I'm so excited that like every day I get to film and share my life, my experiences, you know, me and my wife with you guys. I know earlier like those marriage jokes, that whole marriage thing was like, it was funny and all, but man, I love marriage. My definition of success, and my biggest success I have to say, is my wife. I used to think that, man, all the money in the world would just make me so happy. And money's cool, but dude, my biggest success is having a marriage that is actually committed to each other for life is so awesome. You know, man, success in statistics, money, business, whatever, it's gonna fall short every single time. And it's really cool to own successful businesses and build cool cars, but man, I'm telling you what, I could lose everything and still have my marriage, and that'd be all I need. I always want to encourage you guys to not try and put your happiness, your faith, your standards, everything in material possessions. You know, because everything that I have, everything you have, everything you might be able to get, everything you dream of, you might get, but then it can all go away in an instant. And that type of stuff doesn't last forever. But what lasts forever is the relationships you build, the great things you do here on Earth. Like, I just started in 3rd gear. That was not a success. The success is also in helping you guys. Like, even if you guys don't realize it or don't want me to, if I can affect you guys' lives in a positive way, that is all I could ever ask for. I just want to thank you guys. And a huge shout out to Supa Garage as well. Couldn't have done it without them. If you guys want discounted car parts and you want to just save a lot of money and you want to be a part of a big car club, big car family, you guys check out Supa Garage. They are real awesome. They are real awesome. Real cool guys. I'm just gonna keep driving around looking at the wing because it's amazing, and it's so sturdy and it's so awesome. It feels so good. Like, look at it back there. It's so nice. I'm just gonna enjoy it, dude. I'll catch you guys later. I just want to say thank you guys so much for watching the channel. And for just being such awesome supporters. You guys are great. And I hope you guys enjoy my content every day because I work my absolute hardest to give you guys original, fun, just great, wholehearted content. I love you all so much. Peace out. Have a great day and be victorious.